June 2026.
Ebyabahwerizo bwa nyuma y'ababiri w'abakozi ba government konka bakahumura okurumba embuga nkuru za district ya Bushenyi barkwetombwita ngo tubakatunga gasente zabo z'akasimo ningashi pensioni. Abantu babanja biliyoni 2 na miliyoni 8 kandi ngo bamwe mu bagenzi baba bahireye Kituga bo bakahebwa akasimo kabo kandi abaremerwe kutugira human resource officer batwire nubehuba konka tine kibaratungire
burukwisha nangira ngo bintu byo biliyoni byije akakingambira ku myaka 5 takungambira ikiruhunka cyuko ni simya emirundo mwenda kuza Kampala o Minister of Finance nubu niza karete cyandiko takungira takoroti ninga tegerezoje ejo nemirundo mwenda kuza Kampala o Minister of Finance ndukurga bwejo ningira yitse mu 15 esente zinkushaba zuzonka zahwira umu processing yesente
bakamweho miliyoni 1 kabiri na gatatu ngene kanagumire ntazhire ni kandi ko muri taro nimwe bakajimwiha bakajishashura gogo mucharo
Poli Madame Kaswanje nkahumura na 2024 Shabe Rose akanzira ngo kutunga nota makakade kandi akashashirwa ku 10 2024
Didishipe
bakamushashura kandi akataye miliyoni emwe
akajo
Madame Poli
Mukuru w'entebe ya katana habwa district ya Bushenyi Prosper Twebaze norukura abakozi Sanyu Fiona bagambira pensioners abangwe bipapura byabo byo kubashashuriraho negishahati byakahikaga Kampala ngo habo kuba Pauline n'Akayenga atura nabe komyo mu muhanda
claims zesente zanyu Kampala zikozire ki ziriyo so twagiraho urukiko rwaba heads ba department nitwa babeba basya District Executive Committee na heads ba department so twashamisa urukiko twikiriza ngo urukiko rw'akarungu rwa Katanga ngo mande human resource atware epapure byo Kampala kugira ngo esente zanyu zibe captured.
Konga from what we were picking ekishani kyagumanyi kikoreka ngo claims za pensioners tiziri ngahi finance kongashi Pauline na Annette mumpamta received copy kandi na signinjire naki na claims au kuba hatariho ebimu signinjire tuba kubasa compensate ubanje ndibari yo popo kandi na finance nayo tiyangarika mukunjira ngo we have received this letter konkatu attachments
bwa nyuma yo kushanga ngo ibihandiko tibyakaza yoga mukuru w'entebe ya katano mukuru w'abakozi na RDC bakegerayo batyo nuko kwija bakaragira n'Akayenga okutware papura konka kagwire bwa nyuma yo kushanga ngo bamwe mu banywane be abire nabateraho sente nyamwinji ngo babagane konka Pauline ebi yabahakanisa
umwe mukamutera miliyoni 3 kandi amwandikira miliyoni 5 umwe nabanza makumyana mwandikira 3 na mukaga how did that come about?
Mr. Chairman, we need to cross-check with the documents we have. Because consistently I have been checking. I don't have those figures that you're talking about. I need to cross-check with the first values, first forms I have.
But as if this is the final copy.
It is the photo which you have printed today. We have a first form which was submitted. That is a control form which was submitted by the claimant. That one can help us to cross-check. Because the money they are talking about, I'm not seeing it on the list I have.
Chagaraka cyashangwa ngo kobire nozo mu office ya n'Akayenga ukabura kutaye kitugize na ryawe rubire na ruguma ha kipapura konka nabyo yabyehakana.
These people claim nkuba kwija office yanyu for accountability they are asked to pay money. Is that true?
Mr. Chairman, that one is not true.
Is that true, you people?
It's not true.
Babuza Pauline n'Akayenga habwenche bihandiko by'abantu aba bitakahikaga Kampala nukwe kugira ngo bikaburira mu office ye byesente.
I have spent 4 days in Kampala looking for the forms as you have had. But I was told the forms were lost in the registry. They were misplaced. They didn't put them in the system. We tried to do physical search. It is not possible to trace the physical claims physically because they have the rules. Baba tachidocument injire mu kyatola tokubasa kukiwona.
Na bwanyuma pensioners aba bahakanise ebigambo bya Pauline bari kugira ngo bamwe mu banywano babo abo batireyo hamwe papura bahereze kutunga sente zabo bwanyuma yo kumuhebituga.
Hati nimbuza ona tutari mu kintu cyo kwija kuturaza nenga tukabure sente byo ministry kwaneza kushashura sente ziha neshashura zitu neshashura nabali ni that is a very big problem. Turebera kintu wechi itotwena tuwele mama suka abanyamurya no turege.
Okay.
Hata twatwesime kufurowa astanani abo yakapurufu ngwaza is here. If this list was submitted to Kampala, there had to be printing izo be kanje ngweji yaza yashanga yeki. Now hat answer iturihemu at the end of the day ni jakubidia.
Ebintu kubihereze kushoba nakayenga yagira ngo cyo baremise kutunga sente zabo no kugira ngo tayine bank statements zabo.
At bank statements zirimu nenkuru.
Inkuru ati no design. Which month is it? July for
From
the
the
2
date
years?
of retirement to date.
Anoza kosa photocopy mzagarikana gukora ki omuntu wa signingira aho Swissing deputy cow can I have forms and I sign?
Yes.
Let us not go back to 2 years ago.
Kawo hona yagambira muranga ngo nakayenga nabikora nkana ngo habo kuba hina haru kugobera.
This an ID can be a photocopy. Why are you insisting on that? Forms in Mazbura? Where are those forms?
Madam Chair. Madam
And what you are telling me that you resubmitted, it is all mixed up. You are rejected.
Let us finalize.
RDC yahabwa Bushenyi district imengabirano yaragira kwatwa kwa nakayenga akatwarwa ha polisi kubitebya.
Chief Administrative Officer are handing over human resource boss to this gentleman. Ibi byanye bitari documented but documenting it as we look for a solution. OCCI genda ukore statement turebe problem aheriye y'um finance na yetu kuyambe tuzeyo but when we have something on record otherwise James gayaba abantu iki tikubasa kugumira mu kintu.
Aba bantu betombwitwa basima bo bushoborozo mu district ya Bushenyi okuba yamba kandi mukuru w'entebe ya katano yajumerero bushomankuzi.
Mweno bunareba bamutwara polisi na bana mutwatwa manyise nawe yariyo nayija konka hati kawine ciyatuyamba.
Ahituru kugambire ebe Pauline nakayenga hariyo muchome gasha kwa maiko atwachiri.